On number 11, we have Good Job drama. The Lee Kang-ju is a single mother who was abandoned by her previous boyfriend Woo Ho-nam. The Ho-nam did not know that the Kang-ju was pregnant with his child and went abroad to study. And when Ho-nam returns to Korea, the Kang-ju tries to cover up the fact that the Byul is their daughter. The Choi-hoon is the son of the Kang-ju's boss. He always loved the Kang-jun from the high school and she always rejected him. But now he is ready to accept her with her daughter. But now her previous love is also back. Now what will she do? Go and watch this drama, you will definitely love it. After the next drama is Wonderful Life. The Han Sang-won and Jung Se-jin bump into each other at the airport and accidentally take each other's passport. They met again and Sang-won spent the day together. Both having to deal with a love complication, they end up drunk and having a one-night stand with each other. Back in Korea, the Se-jin discovered that now she is pregnant and lives to have the baby alone. The Seung-won and Se-jin are then forced to marry each other by their respective families, and the complicated love takes place between both. And now the hate relationship, the forced relationship, starts to be in the real relationship, and now they really started to love each other with their lovely child. But also the responsibility changed them a lot. After that, we have Yellow Boots. The sweet Yoon-hwa becomes the unwitting stepsister of Yoo-ra. Though the Yoo-hwa will love nothing more to be sister with the Yoo-ra, the latter will have nothing of it due to the sticky situation in her long-term crush, whose name is the Yoon-jae. The Yoon-jae just happens to be the Yoon-hwa's dating boyfriend. In a tragic instant, the Yoo-ra takes everything from the Yoo-hwa even ever had: a promising future, a loving boyfriend, and also the comfort of her family. And now she is very depressed, but now then she make the one night stand with her crush and everything changes. After that, Only You drama. The Only You drama, the Yoon-jae is a girl who is a stubborn and headstrong girl who had a passion for cooking. So she ran away to the Italy to enroll in a cooking school. The Han Yeo-jun is a boy who comes from the wealthy family. He traveled to Italy looking for his missing mother. They both met each other over the incident and they spent the 6th day, and she madly fall in love with him, and they ended up making the love in a one night stand with each other. And now he left her in the next morning over some misunderstanding, and now Yoon-jae became pregnant and had no choice but to give up her dream and back return to Korea. 6 years later, the Yoon-jae and Yoo-hin meet each other again, and he come to know that he has a son. The Yi-woon found out that he had still feeling for her, and as they run into each other when he was looking for a new chef for his restaurant. And then the old love starts to bloom once again, and everything changes for them for better life. Love You drama. The Sung Chuk-sul and Na Young-hee are the newly wedded couple with an age gap of 14 years. This is the drama that tells the story of a couple who just had a baby because of a one night stand. It will portray the modern generation views on love and marriage, as well as the responsibility as they throw away the child of a one night stand for a better income and life, who has later regrets upon the decision and learns to love for real. Bad couple drama. The Choi Ji-chan is a university botany professor with the perfect genes. The Kim Da-jang is an editor of the fashion magazine who suddenly develops an mission to have the baby on her own without the marriage. The story will talk about the Dang-ja striving to look for a man with the perfect genes, and the Choi Ji-chan is a perfect man because he had the perfect genes. So he become her target in order for making a baby without the marriage. The story later develops as Da-jang must pursue him to do it without any commitment, which is a problem because the Ji-chan doesn't believe in the idea of a sex before marriage. And now we will see how the two opposite poles attract each other and make one night stand and also develop the real feeling. After that, we have What's Up Fox. The single 33-year-old Go Byung-hee works as a reporter for a sex magazine. She wants more romance and a more respectable life, but is not sure how to get it. After that, we have the Pak Chul-soo, a man who is a mechanic and a world traveler, is the younger brother of her best friend. He is a free-spirited and not concerned with what the world thinks. One night, the two old family friends get drunk and wake up in a bed together. The Go Byung-hee wants to forget it ever happened because a good marriage proposal has come to her. So she wants to forget everything. Unfortunately for her, the Chul-soo has either idea, and then they meet each other purposely and non-purposely again and again, and the feeling blooms inside of both, and the real feeling also start to bloom inside of the both, but it is not easy now. After that, we have Gog, the Starry Night. At 29-year-old, the Go-ho faces the struggle of the modern-day woman, namely the struggle to succeed in a work and a romance in the 21st century. An advertisement contractor who is unlucky in love. The Go-ho works as a hard to be successful with her career and only think of a romance as an afterthought. But one day an old flame turned up taking in the role of her new boss, and suddenly it seemed like every man is looking for her. And now her new boss become her new obsession, and they spend the one night stand with each other. But now she cannot forget the memory which they had spent with each other, and also he cannot forget her face after that night. After that, we have My Secret Romance. The Jin-wook and the Yumi met at the Gongwon-do resort and get caught up in a series of a misunderstanding and accident. The Yumi was charmed by the Jin-wook's sly and a playful personality, and then they unexpectedly spend the one night stand together. However, the Yumi disappear in the morning, leaving the Jin-wook feeling very angry, and she becomes very angry because he leave her suddenly. 3 years later, the two met again when a Yumi become a nutritionist at the company cafeteria where a Jin-wook works. They pretend to not recognize with each other while fighting their attraction for each other, and he started to change, and they knowingly and unknowingly start to spend the day and the night with each other again and again, and then the love side start to bloom. But now she is become very stubborn because he had rejected her and leave her when she needed him the most. But then also her heart start to melt. After that, we have The Gentleman's Dignity. It tells the story of four men in their 40s age who have been friends since they were 18 as they go through love, breakup, success and failure. The Kim Do-jin is a confident playboy who meets the Seo Yoo-soo, a woman, and falls for her. He begins a one-sided love for the first time in his life and tries to win her heart anyway, and they accidentally spend the one night with each other. Meanwhile, a teenager named Colin comes to Korea looking for the four men and claims that one of them is his biological father. Go and watch this funny, serious, emotional drama. After that, we have Fated to Love You. This drama is the story of an ordinary girl whose name is Mi Young, who has nothing outstanding look, not a college degree, and not the charming qualities. And now her life is abruptly changes when a love comes knocking at her door. While on a vacation, she accidentally happens to spend the one night stand with an unknown rich man and even gets pregnant from that night. Because of this incident, her life changes will never be the same, and this fateful encounter brings the love that transfers this not so special girl into an attractive, charming, happy, full living girl. Go and watch this drama and you will not regret it for sure, and you will definitely going to love this drama. And watch all the drama that I have mentioned in the list because every drama is worth watching.